Hey YouTube, I'm going to show you 10 free, really useful applications for Windows. The links to all of them will be in the description. Yeah, if you like it, please rate, subscribe and comment. Thank you. The first application that I'm going to cover is CCleaner. CCleaner is made up of 5 different utilities that help to make Windows run really smooth. The first one is just called Cleaner, and it's kind of like the Windows disk cleanup tool. You can delete cookies, internet cache, history, temporary files, stuff like that. There's also a registry fixer. If you don't know what a registry is, it's the settings database that Windows uses to just store and keep track of settings. And CCleaner can scan the registry and find errors in it, which is really useful. There's also these tools, an uninstaller, which is different to the control panel one in that you can delete entries. Say you've deleted a program directly in program files, you can delete it from the program list. There's also a startup editor. If you don't want a program to start when you boot Windows, you can delete it in CCleaner. And there's a system restore point viewer, which also can be useful if you want to remove a system restore point. So yeah, if you've got a sluggish or slow PC, try it with CCleaner because it does make noticeable difference. My next program is Microsoft Image Composite Editor, or ICE. What it does is you give it a load of image files and it compresses them into a panorama or a montage kind of thing. So you could set up a camera taking images and moving like 10 degrees to the left each time, and you end up with a panoramic image. You just drop image files into this area here and it will automatically compress and compile them. Then you just select the area that you want to export and choose a file format to export. This one that I made over an air museum, RAF Cosford, and I think it's done a good job really. This is made up of about 10 images, I think. Count the seams of the images, which is quite good. Okay, so my next program is the GIMP, the GNU Image Manipulation Program. This is a really powerful tool. I don't know of any better free image editing program that there is. If there is one that you know of, please feel free to correct me, but I definitely can't think of one. You can save into loads of different file formats, but the really good thing about GIMP is plugins. The GIMP community make all these plugins and modifications of the GIMP that ooh, that's weird. Basically lets you modify GIMP and add functionality to it. Okay, RadarSync scans your whole computer, scans your programs, hardware, device drivers, stuff like that, and then it checks if there's a new version of that program or driver, and if there is, then it'll download it and install it. And it's, you know, all automated. It doesn't open a browser or anything, it downloads it within the program. It's really useful because you don't have to manually go to the website to open it, and yeah, it just saves a lot of work really. I think you can add custom programs with this Packzula thing. I'm not sure. Yeah, that's RadarSync. Spybot is probably the best protection against malware and spyware that there is. If you have a problem with a computer, just try Spybot scan. It's really surprising what it can fix. It's really good. You can immunize against spyware